Hi students, and today we are going to discuss very important reaction, that is preparation of amines from nitriles. So nitriles are reduced. Nitriles are reduced. When nitriles means cyanides are subjected to reduce in the presence of reducing agent. During Rosermund reaction, Stephen reaction, I explained about reducing agents. If still anybody need, and go and watch one more time, then we can address easily about reducing agent. What the reducing agent here we have to use means lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride, or you can go for catalytic hydrogen, means hydrogenation H2 in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium. So catalytic hydrogenation, or you can use sodium amalgam in ethanol. Sodium amalgam in ethanol. And these are the reducing agent, and moreover these are strong reducing agent. Remember, these are strong reducing agents. Here the reducing agents we are using are strong reducing agent, and go for that here. What type of reduction this is? And this is the reaction we have here. Complete reduction will be takes place. Complete reduction means nitriles completely reduced to respective amines, that is to primary amines. So complete reduction, and this type of reaction we are calling here hydrogenation will be takes place. So this all you have to remember. Every point is very important. Complete reduction or partial reduction. You go for example, Stephen reduction is there. Stephen reduction also from nitriles only we are doing. Nitriles to aldehyde. That is partial reduction. But this is complete reduction. Complete reduction. Clear? Stephen reduction is partial reduction, and this from nitrile today we are going to discuss is the complete reduction, and here complete reduction will takes place, and this is hydrogenation also we are calling. What takes place here? What changes? Look here, alkyl nitriles subjected to reduced in the presence of hydrogen and metallic catalyst, nickel, platinum. It is giving rise to the primary amines. What it will give? Primary amines. Here 1 degree amines only we are preparing. What type of amines we are preparing? 1 degree amine, and this is we are calling alkyl nitrile. Alkyl nitrile, and this is we are calling alkyl amines. So alkyl nitriles converted to alkyl nitriles converted to alkyl amines. This is the reaction. So I will write information also about this. Alkyl or aryl nitriles converted to alkane, or that is alkyl or phenyl nitriles. Clear? Now I am taking example for this. Go for here. An example I am taking here. CH3 bond C triple bond N. C triple bond N. Clear? This is methyl cyanide, or we can say acetonitrile. What we can say? Acetonitrile in the presence of hydrogen and a metallic catalyst. So simple reaction. This is very easy. This is hydrogenation takes place. Hydrogenation. This carbon add 2 hydrogens. and this nitrogen add two hydrogens, break two bonds. Here three bonds are there, now two bonds you break. Simple. CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2. Acetonitrile converted to see here the name 1 2 ethane, name ethane, clear, one amine or simply ethanamine we can say. So triple bond is there, that triple bond, two bonds you have to break, that is 2 pi bonds, then valency will be free. Here to carbon 2 hydrogen and here for nitrogen 2 hydrogens you have to add. Very simple reaction, clear. Go for another example I am giving here, another example, and this time I am giving aromatic. Go for here, this is phenylnitrile subjected to H2 in the presence of metallic catalyst gives this carbon attached two hydrogens CH2 bond this nitrogen two hydrogens, then NH2. Phenylnitrile converted to what is the product we got? Benzylamine. What we got? Benzylamine. Clear? This is benzyl group, this is amine, benzylamine. Clear? This. And this reaction we can do like this also. Look here. RCN in the presence of hydrogen and metallic nickel, sodium amalgam in ethanol, and this we are getting RCH2NH2. This is very strong reducing agent. And if you are using sodium amalgam, generally sodium we are taking, metals are reducing agent in the form of sodium amalgam. Sodium in the presence of ethanol, such reaction we are calling as Mendius reaction. Mendius is the great scientist, and that scientist given this reaction, that reaction we are calling Mendius reaction or Mendius reduction. Remember, this is also one named reaction. Mendius reaction. Nitriles to primary amines. So in this method, we are preparing only 1 degree amines. Look here, these are all 1 degree amines. NH2 is there, 1 degree. Clear? So Mendius reaction, we are preparing nitriles to 1 degree amines. Clear? 1 degree amines. And see here, very easy reaction. And you have to remember, generally students getting the confusion between Stephen reaction and Mendius reaction. In Stephen reaction, that also I am showing here, then easy to you. When you compare them, in Stephen reaction, we are doing alkyl cyanides in the presence of tin chloride and HCl's. Then you are getting imines. What you are getting? Imines. When imines subjected to hydrolysis, what you are getting? Aldehydes you are getting. Imines subjected to hydrolysis, you are getting aldehydes. Am I right? So this is also reduction only. But Stephen reduction is partial reduction. Remember, Stephen reduction is partial reduction. Complete reduction will not take place. But in Mendius reduction, this is complete reduction. Means, look here, this carbon completely reduced with 2 hydrogens. This nitrogen completely reduced with 2 hydrogens. Like this here will not take place. First we are getting intermediate imine subjected to hydrolysis. Then you are getting aldehyde. So students getting problem with Stephen and this reduction of nitrile. In Stephen, I am repeating, partial reduction takes place in the presence of tin chloride and HCl. Complete reduction will not take place. In Mendius reduction, complete reduction takes place, nitriles converted into amines. Here in Stephen, nitriles converted into aldehydes. This is partial reduction and Mendius reduction is the complete reduction. See here, previously one question given, I am explaining to you. The question like this given, aromatic CH2CN, clear, CH2CN, and here they shown sodium in the presence of ethanol, and they given A, and they are asking here what is A, what is A. Options are given like this, they given the options like this. The product alpha phenyl ethylamine, alpha phenyl ethyl, alpha phenyl ethyl amine, and option B given beta phenyl ethyl amine, ethyl amine, and option C given, option C benzenamine. What given? Benzenamine, clear, benzenamine, and option D is given like both A and B, both A and B. This is the question given. So this is they given benzyl nitrile, and this is A given. What is A? The options are alpha phenyl ethylamine, beta phenyl ethylamine, benzenamine, both A and B, both A and B. Let I am explaining this question to you here. Look here, this is benzyl nitrile, the question given in the presence of sodium and ethanol, in the presence of sodium and ethanol, and this benzyl nitrile subjected to reduce, what we learn in cyanide group, carbon bonded 2 hydrogens, nitrogen bonded 2 hydrogens, so NH2, CN group converted to CH2, NH2, and this is the product we got. What we have to do now? The name, what we have to do? Name. See here, this is functional group, this is alpha carbon, and this is beta carbon. So beta position we have phenyl group, so the name is beta phenyl, and this is now ethyl, 2 carbons, amine, ethyl amine, beta phenyl ethyl amine. So option correct is beta phenyl ethyl amine. So like this question they will give. Look here, another question they given previously based on this Mendius reaction. Look, that question also I will explain here to you. The question given like this, question number 2. What the question given means, Mendius reduction or reaction involves, Mendius reaction or reaction, whatever it may be, involves means what happened in Mendius reaction. Option A, reduction of aldehydes to alcohol. Option A is reduction of aldehyde to alcohol. Option B given oxidation. Option B given oxidation of nitriles. And option C given reduction of nitriles. And option D is given hydrolysis of nitriles. Hydrolysis of nitriles. See the question. Mendes reaction involves reduction of aldehyde to alcohol. So in Mendes reaction we are not using aldehyde, so this is wrong. Oxidation. Mendes reaction is a reduction reaction, that's why oxidation will not take place. And the option C is reduction of nitrile. So here initially I given here nitriles are reduced, so option C is correct. Reduction of nitriles will be takes place. That's why Mendes name we have to remember. Mendes name. So you have to remember that in Mendes reaction, what will takes place in Mendes reaction? Reduction of nitriles will be takes place. What will be takes place? Reduction of nitriles takes place. Clear? Remember, in Mendes reduction reaction, what involve? Reduction of nitriles will be takes place. Like this questions they will ask. This is about preparation of primary amines from reduction of nitriles. If you like this concept, please do subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. It will be helpful for them also. Be safe at home. Thank you.